turn and live with animals, they are so plated and self-contained. Here, the poet Walt Whitman thinks that he could turn and live as an animal. He wants to be an animal because he likes the qualities of the animals that are they are so placid and self-contained. This is here we not easily upset, and they are not animals are not easily upset like humans because they never run behind money, success, and therefore they are always self-contained and never upset of their deeds or their past deeds. I stand and look at them long and long. They do not fret and whine about their condition. The poet stands and admires the animals and their quality. They never spend means that they are never regretting about their past deeds. And they never whine, never means cry about their condition or how they are. They do not lie awake in the dark and look for their sins. They never lie awake in the dark. Humans sometimes do wrong things and they are whining or crying in the night time and regretting for what they have did. But not like animals. The animals are never caring about what they have did or what are they going to do. They never care about the tomorrow. They never think about the tomorrow. They just live in the present and the present and weep for their sins. They never weep for their sins means they are never caring what they did, what they are going to do, and what they are doing. They do not make me say discussing that you God. Here the poet says that unlike humans, animals never blame anything to God. Like humans, they blame everything to God. They do superstitions and blame it to God, but not animals. They do not complain about the God in the poet and do not make him sick. Please do not make him mad. No one is dissatisfied. No one is demented with the mania of owning things. Here, the animals are never dissatisfied about what they don't have. They are happy and they are self-content about what they have, and they are never demented, means mad about the craze of owning things. Like, unlike humans, they are always when they achieve one thing in life, they are always running behind another, not being satisfied with what they got. No one leaves to another, nor is kind that lived thousands of years ago. Here he says that animals never go down or respect the elders or the ancestors like humans. They do not hang the photos of the ancestors, lived in the past and pray for them or respect them. No one here is respectable or no one here is noble as in humans. So they show their relation to me and I accept them. The animals show the relations to the poet, loyalty to the poet, and he accepts them. So they bring me to think of myself, they avenge them daily in their position. They bring me to think of myself. To be virtuous like simplicity, contentment, etc. Here the poet says that animals are showing what we have, humans have left behind many years ago, the humanity, the quality of loyalty that we have forget. The animals show these qualities to the poet and remind him that these are the qualities of the human and not the animal. Brotherhood and humanity are the qualities of humans and not animals. You accept humanity from a human, not an animal. Here the poet explains it. I wonder where they get those tokens. Did I pass that way huge times ago and negligently drop them? Here the poet tells that these tokens we have left behind and are not collecting it nowadays and become harmful to our same time, and we are not collecting the tokens again and we are ignoring the qualities that we left behind. Going to the world and